everyone, in this video I'll be talking about wandering. And this is something that we all do when we're restless or anxious. Have you ever felt the need to go for a walk or get out of the house? People living with dementia wander for the same reasons that we all do: to release nervous energy, to alleviate boredom, to seek out an unmet need, or in search of something familiar and comforting. So if you're experiencing wandering with your loved one living with dementia, there's a few things that you can consider. Stick to a routine. Providing regular routines is comforting and it gives the individual something to look forward to. Also, you might want to avoid public places during really busy times of the day, especially when there are large crowds. And then be sure to regularly check in with your loved one to make sure that their needs are being met. It might be that they need to use the restroom. Maybe they're in search of something to eat or drink. Or maybe they need a little exercise and need to go for a walk. Or perhaps they just need some regular reassurance and comfort knowing that you're there and you're supporting them. Some additional tips to prevent wandering include: use a device that signals when a door or window is open. This can be as simple as a bell placed above a door or as sophisticated as an electronic home alarm. Keep car keys in a secure location. Out of sight, out of mind will help to prevent the person living with dementia from driving. Utilize lighting at night. Motion-sensored lights are great and can help light the way to the restroom. Motion lights can also alert you that your loved one has gotten out of bed. If your loved one does wander, you can utilize GPS. If your loved one has a smartphone, be sure the person's location is shared with important contacts. There are also great devices like smartwatches and small shoe inserts that have GPS that can help track your loved one. Install locks either high or low on exterior doors, and consider placing sliding bolts at the top or bottom of the door. However, never lock your loved one in at home alone. Another thing you can do is camouflage doorknobs and doors. To camouflage the doorknob, you can place a safety protection over the doorknob. That way, it makes it challenging for the person to open the knob. Another thing you can do is paint the door the same color as the wall. This often works because people living with dementia, they have issues with visual spatial relations. So they might not see the door because all of it is the same color. And one more idea for you, you can place a curtain over the door. By placing a curtain over the door, it can prevent your loved one from seeing that a door is there, and in this case, it actually looks like a window. I hope that these tips have been helpful in preventing your loved one from wandering. And I know that if your loved one does wander, it can be really scary. But hopefully these tips can help you to be proactive. And if you have any additional tips that have worked for you, please comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video.